Hi, this is Moon, and I'm going to pick this Cheapside number 50 challenge log by Haribo. Let's see how it goes. One, two, small click, 3, 4, 5 is binding, I think, 5, no, 1, default set, 2, 3, 4, 5, back to front, 1, 2, some movement on 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, come on 5, okay, back to front, 1, 2, again movement on 2, 1, 1, or am I picking wording? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, okay, 1, it's definitely 2, 2, now it clicked, 3 clicked, 4 feels set, and 5, and 1. Picked it one way. Let's try picking it another way. One, 2, 3, small click, full set. 1, 2, nice click. 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I at the bottom or is it? Don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice click. No, I definitely wasn't at the bottom. I was at the 5. Come on, 5. What's going on with you? One, 2, 3, and dropped something. 4, 1, 2, 1. Opened it both ways. Great. And let's gut it. But before gutting, yeah, we can complete 360 turn, of course. needs tensioner. And it needs a right tensioner. And it needs something to put in here. 360, done. The key. Works both ways. Let's see the bitting. All pins need to be lifted quite high. No marking on the key. Just here. And the marking of the maker there. On the sides it says Cheapside and again HB. Let's get to gutting. Remove that clip. Key. Shim. Follower. Let's turn it around. And the pins. 4, 2, 3, 5. They're all trying to achieve an overset, but given their lengths, it's not really helping, or not helping to overset. Threading in the core. One. It's a pin and pin. Oops. Spring come out. The body is also threaded. The Bible. And the two pins, the two springs. Try not to lose them. Spool in number 2. Spool in number 3, stock 1. Four has multiple serrations. And again, same spring. And 5, again a few serrations. And the same spring. I hope this threading can be seen from this way, most likely. Yeah, and that's all of them. They are all like that. And let's get a close-up. Very, very nice pins, but not too hard pick. With that, thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.